Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Here we have a pavoni Piccolo espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace all the gaskets on the machine. The one from the boiler, the one from the piston, the one from the side glass. We replace the side glass. We're going to replace the side glass casing as well, since basically we remove it a little by force, let's say. So we're just going to replace that either way. It comes part of the tuna. So we replace the side glass, the gaskets from the side glass itself, the gaskets from the steam one, and yeah, we just give it a good cleaning. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And we're probably gonna see drip coffee coming out of the machine because I might have not used a very fine grind, or I might have not tampered correctly. As you can see, just basically went straight through the group head and it barely did any crema or anything like that. I'm gonna put the iPad down and remove the portafilter and pretty much confirm. And yep, it is very coarse. This is the grind that you see right here. It definitely needs to be more finer, and yeah, that's the reason it basically being properly extract the coffee. So now we're gonna test the water flow coming out of the group head. Pick up better. And as you can see, excellent water flow coming out of the group head. Looking perfectly fine. And steam having excellent pressure, looking really great, and no leaks or anything like that. And there you have it, La Pavoni Piccola working once again. So thank you for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.